Are you interested in investing but just not sure where to start, what to expect, or anything of the sort? Hi, I'm Kaitlyn Meck with Outfast Realty and Investments. We specifically work with tons of investors, and many of our agents are investors themselves. So we are the right resource for you, whether you are just starting out on your investing journey or been investing for years and years and years. To begin with, what kind of salary are you looking at being an investor? This can vary greatly depending on many factors, such as how you do it, where you go, what you do, and how you manage it. Many times investors just work towards releasing themselves from their 9-to-5 regular boring job. So they work towards releasing themselves from that full-time job or career. So they make it so that they match the income that they need to at least survive and live the lifestyle that they want to, which obviously looks very different for everybody. The important part is to find out which way you want to get that money and how you want to achieve it. There are more passive ways of investing, such as a real estate syndication or real estate investment trust, also known as a REIT. Or there are more active ways, such as a fix and flip, like you see many times on HGTV right now. A first step is just to figure out your why. If you do it just because, then when things get tough, you're going to be much more likely to quit. Some people want to give their children the opportunities that they never had, while others want to FIRE or achieve FIRE, which means financial independence, retiring early. Yet others want to create generational wealth that can set their future generations up for even more opportunity in life. Generational wealth is a collection of financial resources passed down across multiple generations in a family. Second step is to sit down and make that decision of how you want to invest, whether it be one option or the other, or a combination of both. Then you would need to make the darn plan. This is one of the most crucial steps, since if you don't have the set plan, you may get overwhelmed or get sidetracked. Do you need help setting up a plan or executing your plan? Let me help you. My phone number is down below. We can always set up a chat. Are you in the Tampa area? Even if maybe just for a visit? Come on out to one of our many TBRIA meetings. TBRIA is Tampa Bay Real Estate Investors Association. They have the best info, the most people, and the most fun. For more great information on investing, check out this playlist about investing. If you want more great information about all of the Tampa Bay area, subscribe to my channel here.